As we come into the home stretch, we've been able to help Alpine Cycle use Lucidspark to facilitate a very effective session that will allow them to leverage insights to make better decisions. And now that there's a general consensus on how the team should carry on, we'll jump back into Lucidchart to help them make any changes and finalize the new manufacturing and order fulfillment processes. Since we're gearing up to change a few things in our process, we're going to take this design session into Lucidchart, where we have access to more shape libraries and functionality for making our diagram intelligent. Any notes, layers, and annotations will remain on the document, making it easier to incorporate feedback. We review the solutions we came up with in Lucidspark and work as a team to find ways to build it into the process to fill the gaps necessary. We'll use the custom shape library we built in the first course to add the new steps to the process that we've brainstormed in Lucidspark among the team. If team members from Alpine Cycle think of anything else and need to leave additional feedback in Lucidchart, they can quickly leave a comment in the area of the process they want to address. There's also an option to directly @mention someone on the object, and they'll be notified to view it. If at any time Alpine Cycle needs to look back at previous work or even another document, they can use Document Compare to view two diagrams side by side to more easily track changes made to styling, shape attributes, and shape data, and quickly find where there may be discrepancies. Let's look at this a little further. Alpine Cycle has a document that shows the mountain bike inventory and one that shows the road bike inventory. Rather than going back and forth or having these two documents pulled up in separate windows, we'll compare documents, and this will allow Alpine Cycle to look at them on the same page to see how the bike's inventories compare to each other. Now that we've helped Alpine Cycle solidify their document and made comparisons, we can create a presentation that will guide people through the gaps we found and the plans we want to move forward with. Selecting the presentation builder will produce a panel where we can add slides and make adjustments to the presentation. If we want maximum flexibility with our presentation, we'll want to choose Customize from the options given. While we're arranging our presentation, we're going to toggle this option so that there's a clear understanding of the flow of the presentation and that all of the content is included in the slides. When it comes to customizing the flow of the presentation, we can drag slides around, insert new slides, or delete the ones we don't need. During the presentation, the team will be able to interact with notes, layers, and other annotations placed within the process, making it interactive for everyone. In fact, if anyone wasn't able to attend the meeting where the documents were presented, they can still access the same experience asynchronously and can deliver feedback using comments or a Loom video. We've been able to update, compare, and present the new process to the entire team so everyone knows what's going on. There's one last thing we need to do. We'll want to change the document status. We'll use the approved status to alert the team that the process is now approved and up to date. Hop into the next section to practice what you just learned.